Hey, what's up DIYers and Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, in the event that you have a sock odor or any unfriendly odor coming out of your vents, we're going to show you a common cause that leads to that. And we're a little worried about this because we heard some unique sounds coming from the internal portion where our cabin air filter is. All right, DIYers, we are inside the garage, and on the far end is our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. And again, in today's video, we're going to talk about the common cause or reason why you are experiencing kind of a musty or mildew / dirty sock smell coming out of your vents. Let's hop inside the vehicle. All right, DIYers, at this point, I have the camera positioned. We're now looking at the passenger front side where the glove box is and dashboard. And to the far left, you can see the center console as well as the steering wheel base. And DIYers, there's really only one common cause that will lead to this mildew / musty, dirty sock smell. And that is a very dirty cabin air filter. And believe it or not, it might actually have absorbed a little bit of moisture over the years, and that is where it is getting that musty smell. And with that said, I'm just going to open up the glove box, and right behind the glove box, if we were to remove this, you have kind of like a very thin style felt panel or cover, and you can see it kind of right down in here. And by removing your glove box, which you have a lock clip here and on the opposite side, as well as this little cord and housing that secures itself inside the glove box, by removing all three of those, you can carefully lower your glove box down and carefully remove it from its lower plastic hinges and remove this glove box altogether. And then behind here, you will gain much better access to that felt style cover. And there's only one little lock clip or plastic securing clip that holds that little cover in place, and then you can remove that carefully. And right behind that is the entire cabin air filter housing, and there is a little access door that you will carefully open up and pull the old filter out, discard it, and install a brand new fresh cabin air filter. And DIYers, once you do all that, you will reverse the steps and put everything back together as shown here and close your glove box. And from that point moving forward, you should not have that odor that you had before. Again, resembles a musty or mildew / dirty sock odor. That will all be gone with a brand new cabin air filter. So again, DIYers, one common cause that really leads to that. And we are not going to bore you in this specific video on removing all of those parts and gaining access to the filter to replace it. However, in the event that you do want step-by-step guidance, definitely check out the link scrolling above. We will also put that link down below in the comments and description. Again, we will walk you through the full step-by-step process of removing that glove box, as well as the felt style liner or cover to gain access to the cabin air filter housing to replace it. So definitely check that out if you're interested. In addition, one more thing before we wrap this video up. If you ever turn your engine off and you hear kind of like a clicking or flapping sound coming from inside your dash or lower portion down here, we have you covered on that as well. We will have a link down below in the comments and description on how to properly and safely replace your recirculation actuator motor. And it's a small part, but it plays a significant role in your recirculation system. So again, definitely check that out. We hope this helps. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. All right, DIYers, inside at the workstation, and yes, inside my mom and dad's 2003 Sea-Doo GTX, we just removed the engine for a full engine overhaul. We're having fun with that. Let's hop to the workbench. Making our way around the jet ski. We are always busy here. We are going to be restoring a 96 dyno air. That'll be fun. And coming to our workbench, here is the OEM Mopar cabin air filter. I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. And here it is out of the box, and when you open up that access door, this is what you will see. You will see that down arrow with the word down, part number, and where it's made. And again, you will just remove this and install the brand new one. I just wanted to show you what it looks like.